This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. On the LG washer, if you ever want to just make it spin at any time during the cycle, all you got to do, it's really a simple procedure, press the power button so that the machine turns off and all the lights go off. And then just press power again and everything will light up. But then you have to go through a little procedure. So you press power and you'll see the cycle dial. All the cycles will light up, but instead of picking a cycle, you're going to go over to the spin speed button and you want to press the spin speed button until the display shows that it's on the highest speed. So just keep pressing it multiple times until it goes up to extra high. And once you get to extra high, then all you got to do is press start and it will drain all the water that's in there and it'll start a spin cycle. The drain cycle will last maybe a couple of minutes. So if your goal is just to drain the machine, that's a quick way to do it. If you kept it on, it'll go all the way in and start spinning. If you don't want it to spin, you can just turn off the power. But this is just a really quick and easy way to get your LG washing machine to go into a drain cycle before, so you don't have to wait for it to do the entire cycle. Hopefully this will help you and give you a little more control over your machine. Thanks for watching. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.